Stramit went about solving the problem of how to compete with long-run roofing on site. And the way we had to do this was to create a structural joint that was aesthetically pleasing, that could be completed in short roof sheets rather than the long roof sheets that were required for mobile roll forming on site. Farlap system has changed the way roofing can be designed because the great limitation in roof sheeting is transport to site. The short sheets are easier to handle, and it still gave the same integrity to the roof as the long-run roof sheeting. This is the first time that Stramit, into its suite of roofing products, has actually introduced structural synthetic materials.
The Farlap's made of a polyethylene outer piece and an EPDM inner piece. The polyethylene has been used a long time in building industries. The inner part is a softer foam which takes on the shape much more readily than the PE with a high heat strength. The clip is made of a high strength nylon which is needed to transfer the load between the 2 points. The nylon will form an oxidisation layer and will virtually last forever.
The product was tested for wind resistance both here, and it was also tested at the FM Approvals Lab in the US, which gives us an FM approved product for the Farlap when used with Stramit SpeedDeck Ultra sheeting, which is here. In a roof, quite often you find, other than SpeedDeck Ultra, you also have a translucent sheet. And originally we had used Farlap across the translucent sheet, and after about a year we realized that it would be better for us to have a complementary product which we now call Skylap, which could be used across the translucent sheet. Now, Skylap has actually 3 pieces. It has 2 pieces which fit onto the SpeedDeck Ultra pans on either side of the translucent sheet, and it has the one big piece which fits on top of the translucent sheet itself.
For the Skylap system, we use the same materials as used in Farlap. We even utilised the clipping system, which clips over the SpeedDeck Ultra and forms a very good seal.
The Farlap system can be used anywhere where conceal fix decking is being used, and that can be from large industrial warehouses right through to distribution centres, to commercial shopping centres, right down to difficult metropolitan sites where site access is difficult and the jobs are quite small. The Farlap concept was first to the market as an alternative to mobile roll forming on site in Australia and probably the world.